Now next letter in today's lesson is Ha. It's very simple and easy. Put your kalam at 80 and make a small bump. Bring it downwards, then flat base, and then take it upwards. It's a little bit easy and it's smaller in size. You can see I'll measure it in small circles. Two circles, and 2 circles. But from top, if you can see this peak, these both portions are not equal. From bottom, the ascending and descending parts are equal, but from top it's a small circle and it's a big circle and just a tiny circle. So from top it's a difference, like its first portion, if you can see, it's just like this, and this whole portion is one another. Okay, then if you bring it, it will be more one another. Then it's your base from here, from its tail, not from after the tail. Its tail, take it flat and then take it upwards. This is Ha. 1 1, it's just in a square. 1 nokta, 1 nokta. Okay, so this is Ha.